Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you the top 5 clear cases available for the Note 10 Plus. With up to 5 colours available for the Note 10 series, you'll want a case that really shows off that light reflective design. We have the impressive Aura Glow, Aura White and Aura Black models here with us today to showcase these beautiful cases, giving you a hands-on close-up look at how each case works with this sleek new phone, starting off with the Urban Armour Gear Plyo case in ice. This case has it all, with reinforced airsoft corners that offer superior drop protection, as well as giving a window into the beautiful colour of your choice. It has that rugged element to it, while giving the illusion of having no case at all. The buttons are encased in heavy-duty TPU covers, and the cutouts neatly cup the ports to save them from any dirt and damage, while keeping easy access to the pen and USB-C connector. The case is made from a durable, rubbery material that fits seamlessly all the way to the edges of the screen. I like the design and shape of this case. The slightly smoky raised corners give that additional padding, while nicely framing the clear back with a lightly textured dipped centre for improved grip. Perfect for every colour in the Note 10 range, this case works differently with each light reflective glass back, while saving it from scratches and cracks. I would recommend pairing this case with the Aura White, as it almost looks glacial under the frosty design. This case is brilliant for the safety conscious or the adventurous type who want to keep their phone safe without compromising the look of the phone. Next up, we have the Elixir Ultra Thin 100% clear case. This case hugs the phone's silhouette tightly while offering light protection from scratches and scuffs. If you're looking for something that covers your phone but doesn't affect the weight and size, then this case is great for you. Though I wouldn't recommend this case for anything other than light cosmetic protection, it definitely displays the eye-catching design and colourful glass back of Samsung's flagship device. I personally like this case as it lives up to its name as an invisible shield that subtly stops dirt and fingerprints muddying up the glass, as well as making use of the slight bezel edge around the screen that raises the phone off the surface enough to avoid everyday surface wear. For less than £10, it's a really good basic cover that doesn't hide your phone's beauty, showing off your new investment in its full glory. If you want something with a bit more impact, then take a look at the Ringke Fusion X case. Right away you can see the major benefit of this case if you just purchased the Note 10 in Aura Glow. This case clearly shows off Samsung's new signature rainbow effect glass back, which is something I feel the Note 10 official case range is lacking. Using the military grade drop protection and polycarbonate materials, you can completely protect your phone from accidental damage, as well as showing off the flare of colour on the glass back. It comes in 3 colours, plain black, space blue and camo black. There's something there for each personality, and with the clear back it complements Samsung's bold colour choices perfectly. There's not many cases out there that combine high quality protection and back transparency, and Ringke's case range remains low on cost, so you don't have to pay more than you're willing to get that exceptional coverage. Along the sides you'll find the integrated ridges, a secure design that offers a natural, non-slip grip to avoid fatal drops. We know how important it is to keep your screen unobstructed from annoying scratches, and this case uses raised bezel edges around the screen to help elevate it off the surface slightly, reducing scuffs and scratches caused by surface wear. In terms of button functionality, the case is very forgiving and feels responsive, giving that satisfying click when pressed down. Though the design can look a little chunky, the unique futuristic look kind of stands out against most clear cases on offer with its striking design. Next up we have the Nova Shield bumper case from Elixir. For another case that offers solid protection while framing the Aura Glow colouring on the back, Elixir's protective case option is definitely one to consider. The black bumper edging cushions the delicate buttons, ports and corners amazingly with the shockproof dual layer design. This case is great for those on a budget that want to replicate the premium look and feel from the pricier cases without the high cost. It feels incredibly sturdy as the hard plastic edges take in any impacts with ease. I like the textured button covers as I can find them with touch alone, as opposed to the spongy quality you get with the rubbery cases. The edges are quite smooth and can be a little slippy, but combined with the rubbery clear back, they work together really well for a firm grip. Unfortunately, this case doesn't hold the anti-smudge technology that stops excessive fingerprints and rainbow effects muddying up the back, but I find this material extremely durable against scratches, and the Aura Glow colour shines through as brightly as if there were no case at all. It adds that little extra thickness to the edges, which I like to see, as the corners are often the most vulnerable to impact, that often results in shattering that beautiful glass back. So if you need a highly protective case that clearly showcases your favourite glass back colour scheme, then this is the best option for you. Lastly, we have the multicolour polka leaf clear case from Love Cases. Pattern cases are a great way to showcase your personality while giving your phone that much needed light protection. This case may be thin, but it's the best option for the average phone user who wants to save their phone from scratches without the overbearing bulky bumper. The beautiful feather pattern is one of the many designs available for the Note 10, and it exaggerates the Aura Glow colouring with amazing effect as it shines through the design brilliantly. It also also stands out amazingly on the block Aura colour designs too, making it a great choice no matter what colour you've chosen, fitting the phone like a glove. Each cutout wraps neatly around the ports for easy access and covers the buttons closely to keep the dirt out without impeding function. The bezel edge on the top and bottom of the screen is incredibly thin but surprisingly effective when saving your screen from surface wear. It also holds the interior anti-smudge tech that stops that annoying rainbow effect from appearing once the case is on. Although it does show up fingerprints much easier on the Aura Black, the colour pattern really pops and stands out clearly, whereas on the Aura Glow it gets a little lost in the colour explosion. So if you want to add flair to your phone while preserving the clean, smooth glass exterior, then this case is a wonderfully fun solution. I hope you found this video insightful when looking for the best clear case for your new Note 10 Plus. If you're looking for more great reviews and tech news, then please like and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.